ಕರೆಯಿತು. ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಸಿಂಹ ಒಂದು ಮದುವೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಚಿರತೆ ಕರಡಿ ಹುಲಿ ಒಂಟೆ ಬಂದವು. ಆನೆ ಚಿರತೆ ಕರಡಿ ಹುಲಿ ಉಡುಗೊರೆಯ ತಂದವು. ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಸಿಂಹ ಒಂದು ಮದುವೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಊಟಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕರೆಯಿತು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಊಟಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕರೆಯಿತು.
Yes, very well organized. That was indeed a memorable wedding. But that's not all. Lion and Lioness, all our animals have planned a surprise for you. We now call upon groom Shreya and bride Anushka. Alright. Happy wedding to both of you. There are your tickets to a honeymoon in Madagascar.
On behalf of our Lion and Lioness, we thank all the animals for making this wedding a grand success. None of this could have happened without the help of a lot of animals and their friends and family. So I want to introduce them now.
Let's thank Divya, the tiger performing all the wedding rituals.
Pranita, our prehistoric presence.
Shruti the elephant for doing justice to the food.
Meghna, our monkey for her dance and antics.
Tushar, our cheetah cameraman for his videography.
Roshan, the best man.
Roshan, go for it.
Dia, our talkative parrot for her cherubic presence.
Karishma, our naughty giraffe.
Nisha, our bear musician for a great job with the tabla.
Aditi, our cover zebra. And last but not least, Vincent, our donkey for a great wedding song and being an excellent sport.
Let's give him one more round of applause.
Give them a very, very, very big hand, guys. Come on, you can clap much louder than me. Oh, thank you.